We have.
Whoa!
One fun thing about paper airplanes is you can get paper airplane books and make super cool ones.
Yeah, we did that during lockdown.
You guys want to do this?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
We
Looking really good, Kitty.
have a butterfly.
A butterfly.
Butterflies fly. Her butterflying is tweeting and flying. Tweet, tweet.
I put some special folds on the back, but sometimes they can really make it turn, but sometimes it can help fly.
Go straight. Let's see if anyone can make it to the wall over here. On your mark. Get set, fly! Ooh. Dude, Elise, I think yours was gonna be the furthest, but then it hit the wall. Nice.
Almost the whole room. At least that's yours. Oh,
Let's see mom's.
I went with a different style. The look plane.
Whoa!
Oh, it floats beautifully. Well, I think I remembered this design wrong. I'm not sure. But it was fun to try something different.
Maybe it isn't right. I don't know. Whoa! All the way! It went all the way back into the back. That was fun.
Okay. We can learn different folds and different styles. We can learn all these different ones. There's a circle one, the flying ninja. So here's the hammer. So it's kind of like origami because you're folding paper, but you end up with an airplane instead of like a swan.
Okay.
We're gonna try the swashbuckler.
So this one is a stunt
No.
plane. It's not a distance one, which will be fun in our house. When the insanity continues.
This is called the squash fold.
So we've finished the first steps. We're gonna turn the page and you're folding it up like this.
Then you know how normally you fold down the wings? You can do that on both sides and then you're done. Like this.
Isaac just finished the swashbuckler.
Try it. Whoa!
Nice.
Nice. That flew really well.
All right, what's this one called?
The Nakamura lock.
It's a family reunion, and we did an airplane throwing challenge, and Isaac won.
Isaac threw it so far.
Insane.
Cubby's making an airplane, paper airplane.
We are professionals. Caleb's ready. Let's see that airplane.
You got it. Okay, all right, we'll do this. Hear me.
Oh.
This is the most clever airplane.
Whoa!
The new record!
That was a crash and burning airplane. That was a crash and burn airplane.
Isaac.
Wait a second, does that really qualify as an airplane?
That was my. We have.
Whoa!
That was epic! So he threw a ball and the judges said it was disqualified. And then he threw an airplane even further! Isaac's plane. Look how far you threw it. What happened? You threw it so far.
Big brain.
Big brain.
During my birthday treasure hunt, as one of the challenges, we had to throw a paper airplane far enough.
Like a certain distance.
Yeah, it was really fun.
All right, here's the cones out here.
You must throw from over here
and make it past these cones. Ready? Our first attempt.
Oh!
Oh! They're going backwards.
Oh!
It
Caught
got
in the
stuck
tree!
Oh,
Oh, no one's
so
made it
close.
yet.
The wind is really fighting against these boys today. Oh!
Maybe take your time a little bit and build a true good one.
Oh! Close.
All right, they're building.
Janae's going for it.
Oh! Oh! Bridger did it!
Good job.
J-House out. Let's go play.
Oh,